Hello and welcome to OnceHub video tutorials. My name is Reema. I am a part of support team here at OnceHub. In today's video, we'll see how you can block off your availability for one-time events from your connected calendar. Now we can do two things to block out the time. You can either do this from the main calendar that you have connected with your OnceHub account, and if in case you don't want to clutter your main calendar, you can also create a sub calendar and you can use that to retrieve the busy times from. So, how we can do that is first you would need to open the calendar that you're using. So, like I am using a Google Calendar. So, I'll go to my Google Calendar. And on the bottom left corner, you will see I have created a sub calendar, the Henry sub calendar. And I have check marked the calendar from here. So now, if I go back to my OnceHub account, click the profile icon on the top right corner, go to user integrations and click on my calendar. You'll see where it says busy time is retrieved from. If you click edit, my sub calendar will be listed here. So I can just check this and save. So now whenever if I just put any time busy in the sub calendar, that time will also get blocked in my OnceHub account. So now let's see how we can actually block out the time. So we'll again go back to the calendar. So let's say I want to block Monday, 10th of November. So the current availability that I'm offering is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's say I'll block a time 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 10th of November. And now I have added an event for 10th of November here. Now we are going to go back to our OnceHub account. And I'll go to my booking calendar, open the link. First, make sure the time zone is selected correctly. So it was Eastern Standard Time. Now, if I check for 10th of November, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. is not showing as available. So that time has been blocked. So this is how you can block your availability directly from your calendar and it will reflect in your OnceHub account. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.